Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ and today I want to show you guys how to do a flat twist out using inexpensive products. Now I already washed and conditioned my hair and I separated into 3 different sections. And first let me show you what I use. This is Sunny Owl Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. And I have to tell you, this was really, really moisturizing. My hair loved it. My hair loves castor oil. And if you see this somewhere, you have to pick it up. I actually bought this at Marshall's and it was only $7.99. That was really good. But this right here, give it a try. It was so moisturizing. But what was so unbelievable is that when I rinsed it out my hair felt squeaky clean. How do we go from moisturizing to squeaky clean? I don't know, but it worked for me. I loved it. I loved it. Now, after I rinsed my hair out, I used the deep conditioner, the matching deep conditioner, which is Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. I also bought that from Marshall's. You can find a lot of things at Marshall's. But yes, I bought this there also. It was $7.99. Also, I keep saying also, but that's okay. But I love this too. This was moisturizing. My hair loved it. You have to find products that works well for your hair. Like I said before, that black castor oil and any castor oil just really soaks in my hair and just really, really works for me. And it's just, I just love it. But anyway, okay, now after I rinsed out the deep conditioner, now this right here, this is my oldie but goodie, Cantu. Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In. I love it. My hair loves it. Yes, it does. And I love the smell. It soaks into my hair. It just really just melts into my hair and it just takes out all the tangles. I love it. Love it. And did I say I loved it? Yeah, I love it. This works well on my hair. I put that on. After that, I took some of this argan oil from Morocco oil treatment. I just put that on after I put in my leave-in so it can add some shine and some softness to my hair. This is some good stuff too right here. I love it. Really good. Now, for the final product, this right here, Eco. Very inexpensive. By the way, this is inexpensive. This is like maybe $5. This is what, $3, $4? And I don't really remember how much I paid for that, but you can use any type of oil. Another oil that works well on my hair is almond oil. Um, Almond oil, castor oil, those certain oils, those work really well on my hair. But anyway, this right here, the Eco Style Gel. Now, back in the day, I did not use gels at all. I thought they were very drying. Just recently, since I became natural, which actually I became natural in 2015. I didn't really use gels, but I've been using this and the pattern, the definition on my hair, it keeps the curls lasting for a week. And I just simply love that. Love it, love it. But anyway, as you can see, I've been using a lot. It's almost empty. I should have bought another container. But anyway, let me get started with my flat twist. So here we go. Okay, I just dropped my oil.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
But that's okay. Anywho, let's take out this. As you can see, my hair is already washed and conditioned. All right, let me take off my glasses so I can see up close. I'm gonna part my hair. And put that back. Yes. Let's put that eco in the hair. Let's get the curls up popping. Yeah, see how it stretches? I love the fact that it stretches my hair because shrinkage is a real. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. I probably should have showed you guys about how much I use on my hair. But anyway, let me do the flat twist. All you do is grab hair from underneath like that. There's so many videos out there on how to flat twist, so it's easy to learn. Okay, then I'll just twist the ends. See how it elongates my hair? Loving. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I'll be back to show you the rest of my hair. All right, finally finished with all of my flat twists. I have 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 5 in the back. All right, now I'm gonna let these dry, and then I'll come back later with the results. Good morning, everybody. It is 2 days later, and it's time to take out these flat twists. Here we go. my final results. What do you think? So be a light, shed some light. Until next time, God bless. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Naturally AJ, and today I want to show you how to do a quick, it's not a quick. What? I use the Sunny Owl Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. Can I tell you this was so moisturizing? It was unbelievable. Now, it was so moisturizing. Can I tell you this was, okay, stop.
You say?